Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will talk about a new VPN called Tunnel VPN, which has its own fast servers and supports multiple protocols for unlimited, secure, and private browsing. If you're looking for a VPN that gives you flexibility with different connection methods, this tutorial will help you set it up step by step. Before we begin, make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more useful tech tutorials. Step 1. First of all, open any browser on your phone such as Chrome or any other browser. Once the browser opens, go to the search bar and type UDP custom website, then press enter. To step 2. From the search results, tap on the official UDP custom website. This will take you directly to its homepage. Step 3. Once you are on the homepage, tap on the menu icon. A list of options will appear. From that menu, tap on Free VPN to continue. Step 4. On the VPN page, you will see different VPN options available. Tap on Tunnel VPN to begin downloading it. Step 5. Now tap on the Install button to start downloading the VPN. It may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed, so wait until the installation is complete. Step 6. Once Tunnel VPN is installed, you will see an Open button. Tap on Open to launch the application. Step 7. After launching Tunnel VPN, you will be redirected to the home screen. You may see a notification permission request. You can allow it or skip it based on your preference. Step 8. Once you are on the home screen, make sure your mobile data or Wi-Fi is enabled so the VPN can load its available servers. The app may refresh automatically, so wait a few seconds. Step 9. Now let's understand how this VPN works. The app mainly has two important sections, one for selecting servers and another for choosing protocols. Step 10. To select a server, tap on the server section. You will see multiple server locations. Choose any server you want and you can change it anytime. Step 11. After selecting your server, you can choose a protocol. Tap on the Tweaks section and you will see multiple built-in protocols. Scroll through the list and select the one that works best for your connection. Step 12. If you want more advanced customization, tap the radio button in the top right corner next to Custom Settings. Step 13. A new window will appear where you can manually select protocols such as slow DNS, V2RAY, SSL settings, and many more. Some protocols require custom servers while others can work with built-in servers. Step 14. Choose whichever method you prefer, either built-in tweaks or custom settings. Once everything is configured, return to the home screen and tap the large Start button to connect the VPN. The connection should be established within a few seconds. Step 15. If you want to share your VPN connection with other devices or a computer, open the side menu, tap on Tethering, and enable the option. That's it. Your Tunnel VPN is now ready to use for secure browsing. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more tutorials.